Greetings and salutations to you all today. Please, let me show you how my experience today went. And it began with at McDonald's, and so I decided to take a break and use the laptop, the main laptop in the back room. And so hearing about the latest rage of OVO or UVU, I decided to download it because, I was on break and it was a long break and I thought it would be worth the while. After downloading it, suddenly my girlfriend began to call my cell phone. Oh, let me correct myself. Ex-girlfriend. Let me correct myself. Ex-girlfriend began to call my cell phone. And so she called, and then I'm on the phone stating, "What is the problem? Can I help you here? Was it something I've done? Why are you calling me?" She retaliated with this answer: "I saw your girlfriend around my boyfriend." And so I'm like, "Oh, what do you mean you saw my girlfriend around your boyfriend?" She kept rambling on, stating she wanted to fight. She wanted to fight my girlfriend. And so I began to question her, saying, "Are you sure you saw my girlfriend with your friend's boyfriend or your boyfriend? How can we clear this, this misunderstanding? Is there any other way to clear it?" I began to question her again, saying, "What is your problem with her? What is your problem with her?" She retaliated once again, saying, "I do not like her. I just don't like her." Then I retaliate, saying, "What does that have to do with me? With you not liking her?" Once again, she retaliated, "I just do not like her. I'm going to fight her. I'm going to fight her." And I'm just horribly confused right now. Like, what? What is going on here? What is going Oh man. And so the story takes a slight twist of confusion. She wanted to get her boyfriend to fight me. Well, actually, she wanted to fight me out of, I guess, pure anger. And so I retaliated, saying, "I cannot fight a woman. I can't fight a woman." And so she said, "Correct, it's not right to hit a female." And so she retaliated, stating she was going to get her boyfriend. And so I'm like, "Okay, bring your boyfriend. Maybe we can settle this like gentlemen. There must be a misunderstanding here. I mean, come on. It's 2011 here." And so I thought of a very decisive plan to settle this once and for all, like men and women should. I had a witness. I would have to bring my son, Jason, who's 4. But my girlfriend, ex-girlfriend, began saying, "You are not going to bring your kids up there. No way. No way they know." And I am like saying, "Yes, he was there. He knows what went down." And so, sadly, it has to be like this. Sadly, I'm going to have to bring Jason, who's 4. Samantha, yes, Samantha, who's 15, going on 16 years old. So she's old enough to, be a part of this dispute, of the conversation, that is. And Jasmine, who has a great singing voice. Great, great singing voice. She could sing for days. I tell you. And we're going there to tell her with, I guess, with her boyfriend, and I'm gonna bring my, my witnesses to see what truly went down that day, so we can all settle this and go home peaches and creams. Yes. So after that long and decisive, tiring argument, she came to her senses, realizing the true hard facts. I was right and she was wrong. I won and she lost. But I wasn't, high and mighty about it. I said, it's alright. It's right. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone. And so, finishing my shift at McDonald's, I decided to go back home and, take a deep shower when suddenly I received a call from my ex-girlfriend on, what is it? FaceTime. And so I'm like, hello, what is the problem here again? And she decided to say, apologize, wanting to hook up again. And so, out of the kindness of my heart, I really decided to hook up with her because my new girlfriend, things weren't really going out too well. So I said, what the heck? A second time's a charm. And so 3 months later, I signed on again. But this time I decided to pop the question. I married her. I married her. Proposal wise, off of Skype. I mean, Facebook, or it doesn't really matter. FaceTime, Skype. It was over the, webcam to webcam. I proposed to her, and it's like a Cinderella story. Like 3 months later, I proposed to her. She accepted. Marriage proposal accepted. And yeah, we're both happy again. She was wrong, I was right, and she just wanted to get back together again and, squash the whole beef. And so I'm like, okay, I'm happy that you're happy. One big happy kumbaya family. And that was the story I wanted to get from the beginning, but somehow I got, sidetracked. And yeah, that's how it ended, and that's how it began. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening to my story.